Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and if you have a toilet that is just running too long, I'm going to show you how to fix it. If your toilet tank is taking too long to fill, it could be a bunch of different things. One, check the water valve coming out of the wall to make sure that that valve is all the way on. Secondly, it could be an issue with the plumbing pipes in your home itself, which is a much bigger job. Finally, it could be the fill valve. What I would do is articulate the fill valve a little bit up and down to see if there's any sediment that perhaps might loosen up within that valve. If that doesn't make things better, it might mean that you have to replace the fill valve. Many replacement fill valves like this have an adjustment that actually adjusts the height of the stem depending on the height of the tank that you have. So you want to just play around with that and make sure that when you place the fill valve in there, that the top of the stem is at least an inch or two below the top of the tank itself. Once you place that inside there, you want to push it down and then use the nut and put that on the bottom there and tighten it by hand. I like to just take a pair of pliers or slip joint pliers just to give it a little bit of a snug move with the tool, but not too tight because these are all made out of plastic. Once you have that installed, you're going to reattach the water line to the underside of the fill valve, tightening that up, making sure that there are no leaks. Now, there's a fill line, a little tube that you want to attach to the fill valve and go into the overflow tube, because that's where the water is going to go in. Once that's all set, you can turn on the water. Once you do that, your toilet should be filling, no problems with flushing, and you're all set. And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to acehardware.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find more helpful videos. Or better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store because Ace is the helpful place.